Hello, today we are headed to Limon Waterfall. This should be quite the experience. I suggest everybody watch this video. It should be a lot of fun.
I wanted to give a little tip here. We are on our scooter, and basically, obviously, we want to be hands on the scooter at all times. So before we left, it's a simple fix. We just bought one of those devices that you put on your rear view mirror to put your phone in. And it's basically an arm that can be twisted in different directions. Okay, so I've twisted it so basically my phone and the GPS is right up top here that I'm staring at. So now we have all of our hands free. So the pig doesn't want to go. I don't know, maybe he knows that he's going. This is the first time we've done this, gassing up. I guess one of the tips that I would say in regards to gas is as soon as you get half full on your scooter or your car, start looking for a gas station, because there's not a ton of them around, and obviously you don't want to get stranded. So we're about half full on the scooter, and I'm going to show you how to gas it up.
And it's 191 pesos.
So it's actually full service here, and you just lift up the seat on the thing, and here's our helper. And then we go, and obviously we pay him. They do gallons here, and we spent 185 Dominican pesos, which is like what, $4?
Yes.
So we just, it costs to fill up this scooter like $8, and we've been driving it for the last 4 or 5 days. So good deal on gas, and again, full serve here. I don't know if they're probably selling beer over there.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause I'd start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
We made it. This is where we stopped. There's a bunch of stops along the way. I suggest, they're like vultures here. They're wanting you to ride horses. We're just gonna walk. So this Cascada, El Limon, Ismail, he's basically works here, and I just gave him a few bucks. You know, I didn't tell him I was gonna pay him beforehand, but when he gave us a place to park and everything, I gave him a few bucks, and he's gonna just watch the bike, and I'm sure it's gonna be fine either way. But this is actually where we're going, and this is where we're going in. Here's Ismail. Say hi. Hi.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola,
Hola.
hola.
This is Ismail. He'll take care of your bike, everything, and yeah. So we're gonna walk up right now. Okay, guys, we just got back from the waterfall in El Limon, and I want to give everybody the absolute best place to park, to go. This guy is the salt of the earth, just an amazing person. Big family, lives right across the street. I trust, after we left our bike and everything, he invited us into his home after. This guy is truly just an amazing guy. His name's Ismail, and he runs this small business. He's 80 years old. He looks like he's about 50. So I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, so here is the route. and I want you guys to see basically the pin of where it is when you see the Rancho should come in. It's Salto, Limon, Parada, Ismail. And you can park your car or your scooter right here. And he'll take care of it, no problems. We left our helmets on the bike, no issues whatsoever, everything. And he treated us like gold. He got his beers, and they don't even serve beer. So anyway, highly suggest, and he speaks English, highly suggest that if you guys are going to the waterfall, take this road and find Ismail.
Careful of the poo-poo.
Horse poo-poo. We're on our way to the waterfall. The guy, Samuel or Emmanuel, it was on the sign. Ismail. He seemed to be really nice. He actually owns.
There's a lot of poop.
He actually owns, I guess, or runs the restaurant that you park at. What I showed you. There's tons of horse shit.
Oh my God. Another thing, make sure you wear hiking like water shoes through this, because if you were in flip-flops, you'd be slipping all over in this horse poop.
Yeah, hiking sandals or
we have hiking sandals
or shoes. It's really muddy, and yeah. So it's pretty nasty.
You just really have to get over the thought that you're dishing stuff through your toes.
Yes. Christy says don't do a pedicure before you do this. Remind me to pin it where we were. I'll pin it, and the guy, Ismail, he's not like a vulture. He asks if you want a horse or a guide once or twice and offers you drinks and all that, but some of these guys are just like, I'd hire them for sales back in the United States. They're so relentless.
Well, what you might want to say is as you're entering El Limon, there's lots of people alongside the road trying to get you to go with them because they want to guide you to the waterfall. You really don't need a guide. You can do this without a guide pretty easily. The path is very distinguishable.
Oh, look how skinny this horse is. Hey, bud. Yeah, this horse is not good.
Oh.
See, and there's the reason why I wouldn't do the horse thing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we made it. I'm guessing this is it. Some people selling some stuff here. These are pretty cool. Yeah, some of these are nice. Look how pretty these are. Yeah, cerveza? Okay. Okay. So a bar. Okay, so for the past like 2 days, I've been telling everybody that we walk by, and Christy hasn't really heard me, but I've been telling everybody aloha. And somebody just called me on it, and Christy heard it, so they're all laughing at me. What's it called? It's oha.
It's
Ola. Ola. I've been saying aloha like I'm in Hawaii.
Another thing to note is it's 50 pesos to get down there, and you'll know when you're at the area because there's a whole bunch of art and there's jewelry for sale. There is a policeman standing there, as if like in case you don't pay.
The 50. I just bring the 100 pesos or 50 pesos and just don't take the chance.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start all over now.
I would definitely say, wouldn't you say that it was worth it, Christy?
Oh, definitely, I'd say it was worth it.
It's like 45-minute walk, and
Be prepared to get a little muddy, and on the way back, there's quite a few stairs that is a really good workout.
yeah,
But it was beautiful.
yeah. The waterfall is really pretty. What else?
There were people jumping off of it.
Yeah, you can jump off of it. The water was cold, but not like really. You know, I would say maybe 70 degrees, so you definitely could swim. You know, the only tough part about the hike really was the last like, let's say quarter mile, because you have to walk down the steps to basically get to the waterfall, and there's, you know, it's steep and it's a good workout. But other than the last quarter mile, wouldn't you say, Christy?
Yeah, other than the last quarter mile on the way down and quarter mile on the way back.
Yeah, actually, yeah. The way back is way worse because you're walking up the stairs. Sorry. Made it back, and here is the bridge that you cross, and we are going to try out some fried bananas. We got back, and they don't have beer here, but Ismail took the time to basically go get us a beer. So, appreciate it. Okay, so no shit, we just ate at the restaurant, and he invited us over to his house. So we're at his house right now.
The ducks.
So there's the ducks.
Yeah, that's a rooster. This is in Spanish.
Hi.
Pato.
Pato. Okay.
Hi. Hi.
Hola.
Hola. Hola.
This is nice, right across the street from your work.
The Dominican home. So there are the ducks and the chickens.
They have plenty. Some have little young one now.
Wow. You have a big yard. Big backyard. Wow.
See, pollo.
Little one baby.
Yeah, this
Baby
baby, they have a few babies.
Some chicken.
Hola. Yeah.
That's great. Well, it's been an honor meeting
Yeah.
you.
Very nice to meet
Yes.
you. Thank you. We'll come
Very
back when we
nice.
come back
I
to
will call
Dominican.
you. Yeah, you know
Yeah.
my name is
Yes, Ismail. Yeah.
And this is Joel, and I'm Christy.
Sure.
Okay.
And we'll send the video, the movie.
Okay, I
We'll
will.
send the movie to you when we do it.
I hope.
Yes.
That's where my mother has lived.
That's your mom's house? Or was your mother's house? Yes.
My mother left like 8 years since she died, but she had lived there.
So after an amazing day, we're on our way back to the house.